Why should someone get a foldable phone?
Fun, unique, portability, transformational, unique. Did I say unique twice? Hi, my name is Patrick Holland. I'm a CNET mobile phone reviewer and expert, and today I go head-to-head against AI in the form of ChatGPT 3.5, and we're going to figure out who knows more about foldable phones and who they're really for. When foldable phones first debuted, they were aimed at early adopters who wanted the latest cutting-edge tech, the latest in innovation, and didn't mind a steep price of close to $2,000. Over the past few years, foldable phones have gone into two categories. One aimed at people who want high productivity, being able to multitask and have a laptop and tablet experience in their pocket, and the other who wants ultimate portability of a phone that can fold in half and go anywhere with them. Also, the price has dropped from a couple $1,000s to something like this, which is now $700 before a sale. All right, now I'm joined by ChatGPT 3.5, represented by this lovely orb. May I call you Chat? No? Okay, cool.
Foldable phones are designed for tech enthusiasts and professionals seeking a versatile device. Catering to those who value both portability and a larger screen experience, foldable phones offer the convenience of a compact form factor while providing expanded display real estate when needed. These devices appeal to individuals who prioritize cutting-edge technology and are willing to invest in the latest innovations.
At this point, the cheapest foldable phone you can buy is $700 without a discount. But these tablet-style phones are still $1,700, which you could buy 2, 3, 4 phones with that price. So when you talk about investment, that is a good call out by Chat here.
Additionally, professionals who benefit from multitasking, such as business executives or creatives, find foldable phones valuable for enhanced productivity. While it may not be essential for everyone, foldable phones target a niche market of users who appreciate the fusion of compact design and expanded functionality in a single device.
Okay, I think there's two things our friend ChatGPT 3.5 left out. One is durability. So these phones, some of them have ratings for water resistance, like this one has the same rating as a regular phone. But I don't think any of the ones I have on this table here have any rating for dust resistance. There's also the issue of repairability. It's a little more complicated to get these phones repaired, especially depending on where you live, than a regular phone. And the last thing, these are such a fun form factor, and I think the clamshell style ones, that is probably their main appeal, is just how fun and portable they are. Look, I got a little cartoon bear on a laptop on my cover display.
In 5 words or less, describe the state of foldable phones today.
Expensive, experimental, chaotic, delicate, compromised.
Evolving, niche, promising technology.
Describe the future prospects of foldable phones.
Affordable, durable, mass market, mundane.
Promising growth, mainstream adoption potential.
Why should someone get a foldable phone?
It's fun, innovative, transformational, unique, and portable.
Versatile, compact, expanded screen options.
Why shouldn't someone get a foldable phone?
Expensive. Durability, short battery life.
Cost, durability concerns, evolving technology.
What do foldable phones need to be successful?
Lower price, longer battery life.
Improved durability, affordable pricing.
In 1 word, what is the biggest challenge facing foldables?
Price.
Durability.
We've prompted ChatGPT 3.5, what are 3 things people should ask themselves before buying a foldable phone?
Is it within my budget? How durable is it? Do I value the features?
Do I value the features? If you're gonna pay $1,700, $1,800 for one of these phones, and you don't have a Google Pixel Store Genius Bar to go to get it fixed if it breaks, I think you have to ask yourself, is the features this offers, as opposed to a regular phone, worth the extra money and possible hassle of getting things repaired? I'm a managing editor, so I edit a ton of stories that I write and others on my mobile phone team. The one thing we did not hear a lot about from ChatGPT is about the experience, whether that's it being fun, whether it's things like battery life, things that we really value as people that a possible AI doesn't know. One key piece of advice I would give anyone for any phone, but especially for foldables. If you've never used one, if you don't have a friend who has one, go to the store and try it out. If it has like a stylus you can use, try it on the screen. Does the crease bother you? We didn't hear either one of us really talk about that. But these are things that you only get from experiencing and trying it. That was the only thing that was going through my mind that I thought ChatGPT's answers lacked. Hey, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos about AI versus an expert, you can check it out on this playlist here. And also, we want to hear from you. Do you have ideas where we could put an expert against AI and what that subject should be? Throw that in the comments. Lastly, thank you for watching.